Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Google Translate extension on your Google Chrome browser so you can translate words on your browser right away just by double clicking on the words. You'll be able to
newspaper,
hear them in both languages. So you need to go here. You can come here by going to more tools, extensions. It's gonna send you here. You go here in the menu. You'll find the weird placed linked here. I don't know why it's there, but it's there. So you type here Google Translate, right? I have it in my buffer copied already. So this is the one you need. Please note that it's 43,000 reviews here. You hit it here. Instead of this button, it's gonna be installing button. You install it. It's gonna appear here and here as well. If it's not here, you need to check. It may be here, and you need to pin it. So you can unpin it. It disappears, and you pin it back. Then you go options. You pick your primary language. Mine is Russian, and the way how you want to see this plugin work. I like this second option that it pops up when I double click the word. That easy. You are welcome.